Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can download, install MySQL Server latest version complete package. Let's start. Open your browser here. Just write here MySQL, enter. Open your first link. This is the official MySQL website. On the front page you can see that the home page. Just click on downloads. Now scroll down. You can see that there is one option, MySQL Community JPL Downloads. Click on it. Now we have different option, but I will come here, MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Now we have two options. We already selected the Microsoft Windows, and we have two options, Windows installer web community and Windows installer community 8.0.31.0. I will download this version, and it will around maybe 431 MB. So I will click on download. It's the latest version. Now if you want to sign up, login, if you want you can, but I don't need, so I will just click on no thanks. Just start my download. It will take a couple of seconds to complete the download process. Later we will install it, right? Now you can see that our download is already completed. Open your download folder, and you can see that MySQL installer. Click on it. Now you can see that our installation process is in progress. Now click on yes, right? And it's again in progress, right? Now we have different option. If you want to download developer default, is good because it includes MySQL Server, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, MySQL Workbench, and so on. Everything include in this package, right? If you download this one, so it will include only MySQL Server. If you want download client only, it will include these things, right? If you want download custom things, you can choose by yourself. But for me, I want download the default developer package, so it will include everything. So it's a good thing, right? Click on next, and again this is my location for MySQL. The path, right, is okay. Next, click on yes. Now I don't need these two, MySQL for Visual Studio and connector Python for Python. I don't need these two products, so I will not select this two. If you need, you can just click on select and go on, but I don't need, right? So I will click on next. Yeah, click on yes. Now you can see that these all product will be included in our package, right? MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell, and so on. Then now click on execute. Now you can see that our execution is in start. MySQL Server is installing now. So each product will install. Then we will click on next. We have to wait for a couple of minutes to complete this process. Now you can see that all the product is already completed. Again, now you can click on next again. You can click next again, right? And you can, this is our port for the MySQL Server, so you don't need to change these things. Just click on next. Again, this is use a strong password, so it's okay. Yeah, next. Now choose your password, right, for your MySQL Server. When you want to log into MySQL Server, you have to remember this password, right? Okay, I will choose my password, right, and I will click on check. I will click on check, right, to check my password is okay or not. Okay, then click on next. Okay, I will use the standard system account, is okay. Next. Now we have to execute all these logs to complete this process. Click on execute. So you can see it's in progress, and it will complete in a couple of seconds. Okay, finish. Now just click on finish. Again we have to click on next, another process. You can see these are default settings, so we don't need to change. Click on finish. Again next. Okay, it's fine. So our username is root. If you want to change, you can, but I don't need to change, right? I don't want to change, so it's okay. If you want to change, you can change. And my password is again root. Check. Okay, fine. Again, execute. Okay, fine. Click on finish again. Again, click on next and click on finish. Now you can see that our MySQL server is already installed successfully, and you can see our MySQL workbench and MySQL shell is open, right? So okay, now in second step I want to set the environment path variable for my SQL, right? So I will open my computer and local C, and I will go to program file because I install my MySQL in drive C. Okay, so I will click on MySQL server. I will go to bin. I will copy this path because I want to set the path for MySQL, and I will open the edit environment variable account, right? And now I will click on path edit, and I will click on new, and I will paste the path here, and I will click on OK. Okay, and done, right? Now I have to open my CMD to check my SQL is download or not, right? Open your CMD, just write here MySQL version. Done. You can see that my SQL version 8.0.31 for Windows 64 is all completely download, right? Now let's log into my MySQL account, right? Right here MySQL hyphen u means user, right? My user is root or OOT root, right? And hyphen p means password, and just enter. Now write the password that you mention in during the installation, right? Yes, I will write here my password root, enter. You can see that we already log into my SQL server. Now let's run some other command. Okay, I want to see how many databases I already created in my SQL server. So if you want to check your databases, just show databases, enter, right? You can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 databases is already available in my my SQL server, right? Okay, I want to create a new database. Just write here create database, and for example KhanPedia, enter. Okay, you can see that our new database is created with name of KhanPedia. I want to show database again how it is created or not. Okay, just show databases, enter. You can see that KhanPedia is here. So if you want to, there are many other queries. If you want to run, you can run, but I want to just explain a little bit. If you want to use MySQL shell, you can use it. And if you want to use just log in here, and you can use MySQL shell too. And the workbench is also like IDE. You can create databases and create table and so on. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.